Let us solve one of the assertion type of question. The question is assertion A, 1.575 gram H2C2O4.2H2O, which is an oxalic acid, in 250 ml solution makes it 0.1 normal. Reason are H2C2O4.2H2O is a dihydrate organic acid, and the options are option A, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is correct but R is incorrect, and option D as both A and R are incorrect. In order to choose the right option, we should know whether assertion and the reason both are correct or not. So, let us look into the assertion. It says that 1.575 gram of H2C2O4, that is oxalic acid, makes 0.1 normality in 250 ml of solution. So, let us make use of the molarity formula and find out. So, let us make use of the normality formula and find out whether it makes 0.1 normal or not. And we all know that normality is given as weight by equivalent weight into 1000 divided by volume of the solution. The weight is already given 1.575 gram into 1000, and the volume is also given, which is 250 ml, and the equivalent weight can be calculated as its atomic mass, which is nothing but 126, divided by 2, because it has got 2 replaceable hydrogen ion, and hence the value is 63. Now let us substitute the equivalent weight as 63. When we solve, we get the normality as 0.1 normal. Now assertion is confirmed that the normality of oxalic acid solution or dibasic acid is 0.1 normal. Now let us look into the reasoning type. Now the reason is H2C2O4.2H2O is a dihydrate organic acid. Obviously it has 2 water molecules and it is an organic acid containing 2 molecules of water of crystallization, and hence it is a dihydrate organic acid. Since both assertion A and reason R is correct, and hence the right option is option A. The next question goes in this order. 10 cm cube of 0.1 normal monobasic acid requires 15 cm cube of sodium hydroxide solution whose normality is, the options are A, 1.5 normal, option B, 0.15 normal, option C, 0.066 normal, and option D as 0.66 normal. Now let us consider the information from the question. 10 cm cube of 0.1 normal monobasic acid is taken. So the initial volume of monobasic acid is 10 cm cube and the normality is N1, which is given as 0.1 normal. So here initial volume and the normality is considered as V1 and N1, followed by that requires 15 cm cube of sodium hydroxide, which is a base. So that can be considered as V2, that is final volume, as 15 centimeter cube. Then the normality has to be nothing but N2, that is the final normality of the solution, and hence the question mark. From the given data, the relation which can be used is the normality on dilution, or it is also known as dilution formula, which is nothing but N1V1 is equal to N2V2. So let us make use of the dilution formula. N1V1 is equal to N2V2. N1V1 is for monobasic acid. Since it is not mentioned, let us write it as it is, and N2V2 is obviously for NaOH. Now let us substitute the given data. N1 as 0.1 into the volume as 10, which is equal to N2 as it is and the volume as 15. Therefore, N2 is equal to 0.1 into 10 divided by 15, which is equal to 0.066 normal. Therefore, the normality of the resulting solution is 0.066 normal, and the right option is option C.
ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ದಿವಿಗೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇದೇ ಥರ ನೂರಾರು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸನ್ನು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ.